Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the code P0455 on a Mercedes-Benz SLK 2003. This one is the convertible model. It's going to be the compressor. I'm having this issue where the check engine light is on and it's for an EVAP leak, major EVAP leak, so we have to find where that leak is. In order to do that, we're gonna remove the tire, and then you don't have to remove the tire. You can, if you want, for better access for the side. You can go underneath the car and remove this plate here. There's two number 10 in the front, and then you just move it out of the way. There might be another screw up there, which probably up there, yeah. Here we got all the EVAP, the lines for the gases from the gas tank. So we're gonna go over them and see if we see any of the things cracked, and we're gonna check the integrity of these hoses. Okay, so we're gonna be testing for the code P0455. It's basically we have a large leak on the EVAP system. For this, I was able to remove this is the valve for the canister for the EVAP system. This goes down there by the charcoal canister, and this basically activates and lets the fumes go out into the air so that it will release pressure. So right now, the test that we're gonna do, we're gonna induce 12 volts on this valve, and we're gonna see if it activates, and we're also gonna check if it retains if there's no leak, if it retains pressure. So for this, we're gonna grab our tester. I already hooked it up to the car. We're gonna put it on DC. Okay, we can induce current with this one. So now we're gonna hook up our negative lead to one of the leads in the valve, and then technically, if the valve is activating, if we hear something, it means that it's working. So that's gonna be one part of it. See, guys? Now, one thing I noticed, it does have a hard time going back down. So you also want to check that there's no leak. So for that, you're gonna blow some air. So it's supposed to be closed now. So it looks like it's retaining the pressure. So I guess it's fine. Now the only issue that I noticed is that it's having a hard time going back down. So we're gonna grab some WD-40, we're gonna spray, and hopefully that fixes our issue. One thing I noticed when taking the O-ring, this is not, it was very dry first, and then the next thing, it looks like it's a kink right there. See? So I'm guessing I probably could have the leak right there. Let's see if I can just put it here. Maybe you can see where. But anyways, I'm gonna buy a new O-ring, and hopefully that fixes the issue.